In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly change the image on your OBS Virtual Camera. So first, open OBS Studio and make sure you have your virtual camera set up. If you want to change the image, go to the Scenes panel and either select an existing scene or create a new one by clicking on the plus sign icon at the bottom. Within the selected scene, you can add or replace sources like images or video files. Just go to the Sources panel and hit the plus icon. And select Image to upload a new picture. Or choose a different media source if you need. Once your scene is set up with the image you want, start the virtual camera by clicking Start Virtual Camera in OBS. Your new image will now show as your virtual camera feed in other applications. And that's it. Now you can change your OBS virtual camera image in just a few steps.